Comfort zone. Okay, so very nice tip you can apply when you want to find your comfort zone. The chest voice, the voice you speak in every day, is that you just speak in slow motion and try to capture through recording yourself the notes you sing/say or speak. For that, I brought a little poem for you. Nature's first green is gold, her hardest who to hold, her early leaves a flower, but only so an hour, then leaf subsides to leaf, so Eden sank to grief, so dawn goes down to day, nothing gold can stay. Okay, so I would say that my standard speaking voice goes from say here to stay. Yeah. So do the same thing, say the poem in slow motion, and I would recommend to record yourself and then listen back, because sometimes it's difficult to remember what kind of notes you were singing/saying. So record yourself, listen back, and check out what the range is. And that range is your very standard normal speaking voice, the comfort zone.
Singing carrots